Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. We're in Disney World. Hollywood Studios tonight. I'm feeling the Christmas spirit. Come on in. Check it out. Yeah, Roberta and Jake taking a selfie there. Oh, I love it. This is gorgeous, man. Just take it all in for a minute. The Chinese Theater all the way down the end of Hollywood Boulevard. You can see all the nice garlands across the street. The Christmas music is playing. Roberta, Jake, you guys know what I love. Lampposts. I love the lamppost decorations. We have the shooting stars. Of course, we're in Hollywood, guys. So it's Hollywood Studios. So the Tinseltown, right? You're going to see a lot of silver. And you're going to see a lot of that Hollywood theming with the stars. Looking beautiful. There's another star right there in the middle of the street. I love these garlands that go right across. Gorgeous. I guess we're going to pop in the store here, guys. We're just bringing you on an adventure tonight here from Hollywood Studios. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Not sure what Roberta's looking for. Oh, I think she's looking for pins, Roberta?
Yeah, I'm just checking.
Oh, she's just checking stuff. We will... Ooh, look at this. It's decorated so nicely in here. You got your ornaments here. I've done a lot of the Christmas merch from Disney. You can check out some of our prior vlogs to check out all the Disney merch, but plenty around. I want to go back outside. I want to go back outside, guys. I like these wreaths. You can see them hanging over there at Mickey's of Hollywood. They look great. This park, now, if you want to get right in, like just walk in a park and get hit hard with the Christmas and the fanciness of Christmas, it's here. It's Hollywood Studios. Of course, Magic Kingdom, much more traditional. Here
Here's the fountain.
is old school, but not old school like outdated. Hollywood, this is themed. Of course, you have your Starbucks here, guys, off to the right. Again, lots of the silver garlands here. Theming is amazing. We're gonna go see the big icon tree, and I think down here on Sunset Boulevard there should be some projections at some point here over on the Tower of Terror. Hopefully we get some snow. Oh God, I love it, guys. I love this time of the year in the parks. And it's cold tonight for Florida. It's 57 degrees right now. That's why I have my North Face on. We'll head down that way in a minute. We're looking on the app to try to see if they had a schedule of the now, I'm calling it now snowing, but that's actually the Celebration Florida event we're doing tomorrow night. I like those stars though. Let's get around the corner here and have a look. Yeah, because right now it's not lit up with the Christmas theming here. But there should be some action going on here at some point tonight, guys. We'll show it to you when it does. But there are so many decorations all over the place. I guess we hit the right timing. We'll walk down a little bit, guys, and show you.
I think I only recorded one.
Oh, that's cool. I think we do have snow. Here it comes. Oh yeah, I love Hollywood.
That's a nice snow.
It's so cool with the lights. I don't know if you guys can see in the lasers, you can see all the snow. Snow. It feels cold enough that it could be snowing though tonight, huh?
Yeah.
And it looks like they have those snow machines all the way down. Oh, I love this. Hang on, we're gonna do a Medling World selfie, guys. Haven't done a famous Medling World selfie in a while. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. Very neat.
Happy holidays! All those toys you get for Christmas, pretty nice.
I'll show you a couple clips of this, guys. Of course, Toy Story there. So they went about a minute, I showed you a little bit of it, and then they make it snow again. Look at it, Roberta. It says Hollywood Toy Hotel.
It's snowing in Florida. Bubble.
I never noticed that. I don't know if it said that last year or not. I can't remember. I don't even know if we came at night last year, to be honest with you. Oh, that's so cool, man. This is fun because you know what? This isn't an extra charge. They do this every night now, guys, through the holiday season. Well, of course, Jollywood Nights is a specialty party, but this is just regular park admission night. So you'll get all this stuff. Oh, I hear the Swedish Chef. That's who I hear. It's gotta be Muppets. At least I thought it was a Swedish Chef I heard. I thought it was going to be Muppets, but I guess I was wrong. Roberta.
Yeah.
So far, I'm loving this.
Yeah.
Oh, we got another one. Hang on.
It's the busiest place here. I feel like I'm in London on the left side. I hate that. It's right side.
So, I mean, now it's snowing again. Like, it's not just for a minute or two. We've been out here, 10, 15 minutes with all this production going on. I would think it does go intermittently, obviously, because when we first came in, it wasn't going on, but you won't miss it if you're hanging out in the park. Hey, Jake, what'd you think of the snow and the Hollywood Tower Hotel graphics?
It's pretty cool.
I like it.
The graphics, I think they reused them.
Yeah, I agree with that. I do think that it's pretty much the same thing every year for the past several years. I can't remember though if that snow was all the way down. But anyway, yeah, it does. It did remind me of what they've been doing the last few years. But it's still a lot of fun. Roberta, didn't you help put this up one year with the holiday decorators?
Yeah, like the lights, yeah. It's great, isn't it?
Holiday services.
Holiday service, yeah.
One of Roberta's first job. Actually, you decorated this park at one point. So cool, man. I love these lights in the bushes. That looks like it's a lot of work.
It is.
Yeah, I can imagine. Let's go over this way. Looks like some elves over here. And then, of course, some more lampposts. But these ones are cool. They got Christmas trees on them. The thing, though, about Disney is... Jake just mentioned it, and he's right. They don't really change things around too much. You know what I mean, Roberta?
Yeah.
It's kind of the same thing when it comes to their decorating. Let's go over towards the icon tree, guys, and have a look at that. I don't know, this one seems like might be the smallest one out of all the parks. I could be wrong. Just by sight of eye. Roberta may know better than me. I'll have to ask her. So Roberta, you're saying that you're not quite sure which, they kind of, you know, now that I got closer, they kind of all seem to be around the same size.
I think so. I think just perspective. I think.
And we'll have to go check out Gertie over there. And here you'll find this again. Very classic of Disney. This is very continuous year after year. Let's move our way across over towards Gertie. You can see those nice bulbs there in the water. Here is Gertie. Got a Santa hat on, very classic Christmas. I like the smoke. It's nice at night. You can actually kind of see things a little bit better. With the light around him, you can really see that smoke coming out. That looks nice. This looks nice through here again. It's a nice park for Christmas. Especially when it feels cold. I was saying earlier, Roberta, with the cold, you're wearing your North Face.
Yeah.
We're all dressed up like we're back up north, even though it's what, 55?
Yeah.
Which, you know, for down here, 55 is cold. I'll tell you. You live in Florida, you can relate to this. If you're looking for a good character dining experience here at the Hollywood and Vine during this time of the year, they have Minnie's Holiday Dine at Hollywood and Vine. It's very cool. Plus, that's one of my favorite buffets, character buffets, for the food-wise. Not talking about characters. They have, you know, it's usually, I mean, the characters are good, but the food in there is very good. I gotta find Roberta and Jake. They keep wandering around. There they are. They're always ahead of me. Found ya. And I'm gonna pop in this store here, guys. Wow. What we got? Oh, cute. First Christmas.
That's so cute.
All kinds of Disney merch in here. Look at this one, Roberta.
Oh, that's
Very
pretty
nice.
with all the Mackeys around.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. How much is this one?
And these ears, they just keep popping their prices up and up and up.
$70. Yep.
70. Got the Spirit jersey.
Jersey's 80.
80. This is the front of it right here with Mickey. It's pretty nice, actually. These aren't necessarily Christmas sweatshirts, but they got them all lined up. Well, this one might be. No, they're just the colors of Christmas, but they're not really Christmas, but they're nice.
This is pretty.
Is that Starbucks?
No, this is just Disney.
It's got a button on the bottom, does it?
No,
No?
no. But
It is nice, though.
this means a price increase. 60.
$60.
Yeah.
Wow. Berta, right away. Your ears you're wearing? Those were our oldest son, Lucas's ears.
Yeah.
From when Jake was 1 year old.
Yeah.
So those are 13 years. 13 years we've been using that hat.
Yeah.
Shout out
We
to
love it. Yeah, we love it.
shout out to our oldest son, Lucas, man. Thinking of you, son.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's actually R2H15. Look at that. It's a holiday. Basically, it's a holiday R2D2 is what it is. And it is very cool. It's $130. This is quite interesting that they actually have Jollywood Nights merch out on a non-Jollywood Nights party. So you can get Jollywood Nights merch even if you're not going to attend.
25. What is this? Super cookie?
I guess you hold your cookie there and you can do a donkey. That's nice. That's a nice mug.
85 for the bag.
85. Jollywood.
It is a Loungefly.
Gingerbread on there.
It is a Loungefly.
And it is a Loungefly official. Wow. So we've been out all day at Disney. We were, if you watched our vlog from the International Festival of the Holidays over at Epcot, if you haven't, we'll put a link in there. But we're cold and we're tired.
Yeah.
We've been going at it for hours now, so we're gonna head out. We did want to stop here though to be able to vlog this for you guys and show you the festival action here. No, not festival, the festive action. See, I get tired. I don't want to drink coffee now because it's like getting towards 9, and then I'll be awake all night. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. We're so happy that you joined us today. Please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. And again, if you ever see us in the park, please don't hesitate. Come up and say hello. We're very happy to see some friends of Medling World on our vlogging today. And we really enjoy it. It really helps us feel good. It gives us that little extra boost, like, yes, people are watching and we're growing every day. So once again, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. And last but not least, first of all, happy holidays to whatever holiday you celebrate. And Merry Christmas. And see ya!